So hello and namaste in our new course on rediscovering repertory. And why I'm talking about this, because we have a very special WhatsApp group where every day cases have been put up, and a lot of our participants all across the world, you can see here, case 1, case 2, case 3, they are solving the cases, and we have to repertorize every case. And we put up the case one day, and the next day the analysis is put, and the people who get the answers, their names are written. And finally, the people who give right answers throughout the next few months, they get a special gift from us. So it's not just the entire course that we'll be doing, but also this very special WhatsApp group where you communicate with homeopaths across the globe, like-minded people, and you answer and you try to repertorize and analyze the case every single day. So once again, I want to take this opportunity that it's only if you're very, very passionate in homeopathy that I want to invite you for this basic to advanced level repertory course, which starts very soon. 30 hours course with 30% discount. Please write to us.